Hi, nice to be talking to you.
Nice to talk to you too. What can you do?
I can have a conversation with you and provide information. I also have access to current weather information anywhere in the world. So if you're curious about the weather, I'd be happy to help with that too.
Well, I'm in San Francisco. Can you tell me what the weather's like in San Francisco right now?
It's a nice day in San Francisco right now with a temperature of 75 degrees.
Oh, interesting. Is San Francisco the capital of California?
No, San Francisco is not the capital of California. The capital of California is Sacramento. San Francisco is a major city in California, known for its iconic landmarks like the Golden Gate Bridge
Yeah,
and
definitely. What's the weather in Sacramento like right now?
it's a nice day in Sacramento right now with a temperature of 75 degrees.
Wait, I'm confused. It's never the same weather in Sacramento and San Francisco.
Don't worry, everything is working as expected. The get underscore current underscore weather function is a demonstration function that always returns the same information for every location, which is why you're seeing the same weather for both San Francisco and Sacramento.
I blame the programmer who wrote that code, who is me.
Don't worry, it's all part of the learning process. The get underscore current underscore weather function is actually a demonstration function that always returns the same information for every location.